Are you still using Windows 10 and wondering if you should upgrade to version 11? This video gives you 10 reasons why you should upgrade to Windows 11 right now. And the first, the new design is really nice. The Windows 11 interface has become not just modern, but visually coherent and neat. Rounded corners, smooth animations, transparency, a centered start menu – all this gives a feeling of freshness and comfort. Of course, no one has cancelled the force of habit, and after many years of using Windows 10 and maybe even 8 or 7 before that, the Windows 11 interface may seem unusual at first. Believe me, it takes a couple of days to get used to it. And then you don't want to go back. Everything turns out to be quite convenient. The settings section may be unfamiliar in many ways and therefore difficult at first glance, but the search by settings helps out here too. Just enter what you want to customize, and in the latest versions, even artificial intelligence helps with this. Well, time, a little practice, and it turns out that there are many new features along with those that have been preserved from previous versions. The second, improved performance. Windows 11 is optimized for modern processors and SSDs. The system wakes up faster, opens applications faster, and manages memory better. This is especially noticeable on laptops and devices with a small amount of RAM. On this channel, I have been doing performance tests of different Windows for several years now, and Windows 11 shows excellent performance. It allocates resources for the main running program, and you can work even on a weak PC. The third, advanced features for gamers. If you play, this is a good reason to switch to Windows 11. It supports direct storage, which speeds up loading games from NVMe SSD almost several times. Data is transferred directly from SSD to the video card, bypassing the central processor. On the 10 this works through crutches. And the Auto HDR technology appeared, which makes the picture brighter and more saturated on monitors with HDR even in old games. This really works, especially noticeable in games with atmospheric scenes or night levels. It is Windows 11 that supports the latest AP, DirectX 12 Ultimate, and drivers for new video cards from NVIDIA, AMD are often released specifically with Windows 11 in mind. Fourth, Snap Layouts. The new system for placing windows on the screen is as convenient as possible. You just hover your mouse over the expand button and Windows offers you layout schemes: 50-50, 70-30, 3 columns, etc. And if you drag windows to the edge of the screen, you can conveniently distribute programs for work. This had made working with several applications much more convenient. Fifth, if you have a processor like Intel Core 12th or 13th generation, only Windows 11 can competently use its architecture with division into efficient and productive cores. In the 10, all this works to a limited extent. The system intelligently distributes the load. When you play, powerful cores are used. When you just listen to music or update, economical cores work. Result: higher performance, less heating, longer battery life on the laptop. Only Windows 11 can fully manage these different cores through Intel Thread Director technology. Windows 10 simply doesn't know which cores are better for what, and can direct a heavy task to a slow core. Therefore, if you have an Intel 12th generation processor on your, only Windows 11 will give you full performance. Please note, despite all these features, any Windows needs maintenance and cleaning, especially with active use. I made a program called PC No Problems. It helps in different areas: cleaning, registry optimization, removing unnecessary programs, and so on. All in one small program, and it's free. There are also paid functions, but this is for enthusiasts who know what they are doing. For more information about the program, see its website and video about it. Links below. The new Microsoft Store finally normal. Yes, the store used to be useless, but now it works fast, looks nice, and includes a lot of useful software, from Firefox and Zoom to media players and OBS Studio. In Windows, everything is now similar to Android, Mac, Linux, their own store. Some programs today don't even have a regular exe installer, everything is only through the store. And to be honest, it is safer. And here's more about security. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0, Secure Boot and other technologies that could be disabled before Yes, some people don't like it because it doesn't want to be installed on old computers, but this is what provides increased protection against viruses, rootkits and spyware. They won't burn your hardware as they could 10 years ago. In the modern world, this is not a plus, but a necessity. The 8th, integration with Microsoft Teams and other services. You can start a call via Teams directly from the taskbar, convenient for both work and personal conversations if you use this program. The OneDrive cloud service has also evolved. If you work remotely or correspond with colleagues, it will come in handy. The new side menu with widgets allows you to view the weather, news, notes and other data in one click. It's not quite finished, but it can be customized for you. You can turn on only what you need without junk. And the 10th, support. Windows 10 will be supported only until October 25. This means there will be no more security updates, new features, drivers and optimizations for it. And Windows 11 is a platform that Microsoft is betting on for at least 10 years to come. Windows 11 is not just cosmetics. This is a system tailored for the future, with the new technologies, improved security and support for new hardware. If your PC is compatible, be sure to try it. In the next video you will learn about 10 reasons to stay on Windows 10. Have you already switched or are you staying? Write in the comments.